You gotta exit the car. We're towing it.
I mean, I don't consent.
Oh, wait, that's fine that you don't consent, but there's no airbag and the vehicle's not insured, so you're gonna have to step out of the car so we can tow it.
This is against my rights, man.
That's fine. You're gonna have to step out of the car right now. I'm not gonna ask you again.
I don't consent, man. Y'all get ready to steal my property. I'm traveling. I'm not hurting anybody. I haven't caused any issue.
You can take it to the sheriff. You can take it to the marshal. But I am lawfully ordering you to exit the vehicle.
This is an unlawful order because I'm exercising my right to travel.
I'm not going to ask you again. I have 3 other troopers here with me. You're going to exit the vehicle right now.
I like to exercise my 4th Amendment right.
That's fine. You can exercise it outside the vehicle.
I like to exercise it right here.
No, sir, you're going to exit the vehicle right now. I'm not going to ask again.
I like to exercise my 4th Amendment right, sir. I haven't hurt anybody. I like to continue traveling.
That's fine. But you're going to exit the vehicle now.
I don't consent. I like to continue traveling.
You cannot consent.
Well, this will be slavery because I'm not consenting with you. I don't want a contract. I'm not a slave. I'm a free American. I'm a private American. I don't consent to that at all. I'm not hurting anybody. I haven't broken any constitutional law.
Do you want to go to jail or do you want to be free to go after this?
I would like to continue traveling. That's what I would like to do. I don't consent to any unlawful stop search procedures.
That's fine.
Yeah. And Article 4 of the Maryland Constitution says that the police are subordinate to the people.
Exit the vehicle, sir.
I would like to continue traveling, sir.
No, sir. Are you going to exit the vehicle or are we going to jail today?
I would like to continue traveling. You can't do this to me under the Constitution. You swore an oath to the Constitution. I think you know you did, man. I'm not trying to give you a hard time. I'm not giving up my rights. I'm not giving up my rights, man.
So you're not going to exit the vehicle?
I like to continue traveling. I'm a free American.
Go to jail with me today.
I'm a free American. I like to continue traveling, sir. I haven't hurt anybody.
Not when you disobey my lawful orders, sir.
That isn't a lawful order because I haven't broken any land code of the Supreme Court of the Constitution.
He said you got to exit the car. You can talk to him after this about how upset you are. You can file a complaint.
I'm not upset at all. I understand you. I comprehend you guys aren't educated in constitutional law, but you guys took an oath to it. I like to exercise my 4th Amendment, and I think you took an oath to it. So I don't think you want to violate your oath. I would like to continue traveling and exercise my 4th Amendment. I don't want any more troopers. I would like to exercise my 4th Amendment right.
But you will not be driving, understand?
Absolutely. I don't understand, though. I'm an American, sir. I'm not a U.S. citizen. I'm not chattel slavery property. Okay? I'm a free American. That's why I'm protected by the Bill of Rights. I just want my card back, and I just want my plate that I created so I can go. I give it up. No rights, man. They trying to get me to give my rights up.
But here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
So here's the deal.
And here's the deal.
Here's the deal.
Here's the deal. Because here's the deal.
Here's the deal. Either give me your ID or you go to jail. How about that?
Catch me outside. How about that?
How about that?
How about that?
Here's the deal.
Pursuit of a Mazda heading south on 3 Points Road.
Here's the deal.
Nothing in this video is to be taken as legal advice. What may work for one person at one point may not work the same for you. You're looking at a man who, in the face of seemingly impossible odds, squared off with tyranny and held fast to his freedom and won. This is probably one of the most underrated, powerful videos on YouTube. These Maryland cops were threatening to pull this guy out of his car, tow it, impound it, and take him to jail. He was being swarmed by troopers. But somehow he gets himself out of this precarious situation. See, we're constantly being told that traveling in your property from one point to another is a privilege granted by the state, not a right inherited at birth. But the equation is very simple. Travel is essential to life and liberty. If you're not free to travel with and in your property, you are not free. If others can restrict that right through forced licensing, insurance, and registration, which is what we're going to see these Maryland cops try to do to this man, you are a slave.
Phone started to overheat, so I had to let it rest for a minute. So they still got me stopped. It's been like 28 minutes now. The Maryland limit is 25, so these motherfuckers is doing a lot. I gave him Supreme Court case law. I gave him the passport. I gave him the UCC 1 also, a couple other things. So Stole my license plate too. There's literally a bunch of other shit going on right now. This is Baltimore. I'm pretty sure there's a shooting going on. Pretty sure somebody's on the run. All that shit.
You gotta exit the car. We're towing it.
I mean, I don't consent.
Oh, wait, that's fine that you don't consent, but there's no airbag and the vehicle's not insured, so you're gonna have to step out of the car so we can tow it.
This is against my rights, man.
That's
I don't.
fine. You're gonna have to step out of the car right now. I'm not gonna ask you again.
I don't consent, man. Y'all get ready to steal my property. I'm traveling. I'm not hurting anybody. I haven't
Sir,
caused
you
any
take it to
issue.
court, you take it to the sheriff, you can take it to the marshal, but I am lawfully ordering you to exit the vehicle.
This is an unlawful order
This is
because
a
I'm
lawful
exercising
order,
my
sir.
right to travel.
I'm not going to ask you again. I have 3 other troopers here with me. You're going to exit the vehicle right now.
I like to exercise my 4th Amendment right.
That's fine. You can exercise it outside the vehicle.
I like to exercise it right here.
No, sir, you're going to exit the vehicle right now. I'm not going to ask again.
I like to exercise my 4th Amendment right, sir. I haven't hurt anybody. I like to continue traveling.
That's fine. But you're going to exit the vehicle now.
I don't consent. I
That's
like to
fine that
continue
you don't
traveling.
consent. You cannot consent.
Well, this
outside
will
the
be
vehicle.
slavery because I'm not consenting with you. I don't want a contract. I'm not a slave. I'm a free American.
That's
I'm a
fine.
private American.
After
I do
this
not
happens, listen to me. We have 2 ways we can do this. You can exit the vehicle peacefully. We're going to tow the car off the highway. It's uninsured. You can get it back and you can drive it another day.
I don't want to drive at
Listen-
all. I
listen
want to
me.
travel.
Listen to me. The other option is I take you to jail today. I guarantee you will end up in BCDC. You'll be put before a judge, and that will take up your entire day or more.
If you
Now,
were going to
listen
arrest me, you would
Listen
have to take me to see a magistrate first as per the Constitution.
Okay, sir. We can do that too. Either the magistrate, the judge, the commissioner, whatever you want.
I don't consent to that at all. I'm not hurting anybody. I haven't
So
broken
which
any
option do you want?
constitutional
Do you
law.
want to go to jail, or do you want to be free to go after this?
I would like to continue traveling. That's what I would like to do. I don't consent to any unlawful stop, search, procedures.
That's fine.
Yeah. And Article
Now, again,
4 of the Maryland Constitution says that the
I am
police are
lawfully
subordinate to the
ordering you
people.
exit the vehicle, sir.
I would like to continue traveling, sir.
No, sir. Are you going to exit the vehicle, or are we going to jail today?
I would like to continue traveling. You
No,
can't
sir.
do this to me under the Constitution.
Step out of the car.
You swore an oath to the Constitution. I think you know you did, man. I'm not trying to give you a hard
Nothing you say
time.
is gonna change
I'm
your
not
mind.
giving up my
You're gonna
rights.
exit
I'm not giving up my rights. It would be difficult to come up with more powerful words than that. The moment you give up your rights is the moment you consent to the slave master's chains. And then it's game over. None are more hopelessly enslaved than those who falsely believe they're free.
the vehicle, you're going to go to jail.
I'm not giving up my rights, man.
So you're not going to exit the vehicle?
I like to continue traveling. I'm a
So
free
you're willing to
American.
go to jail with me today.
I'm a free American. I like to continue traveling, sir. I haven't hurt
Not
anybody.
when you disobey my lawful orders, sir.
That isn't a lawful order because I haven't broken any land code of the Supreme Court of the Constitution. There's also a lien on this for $100 million too. So if you touch any of my property like you already stole my plate, there's going to be a heavy lawsuit. What's your badge number, buddy? What's your badge number? Sigmund. Yes, sir.
Oh, wait, you hear that was my supervisor.
No, I couldn't hear.
That's fine. He said you got to exit the car. You can talk to him after this about how upset you are. You can file a complaint.
I'm not upset at all. I understand you. I comprehend you guys aren't educated in constitutional law, but you guys took an oath to it.
That's fine. I'd love for you to educate me, but I need you to exit the car.
I can't let y'all steal my property, man. I need my property.
Listen to me. I'm not stealing it, okay? We have 2 ways we can do this. I can store the car, which means it goes to the lot, and it's impounded until you get it back. Listen, look at me when I talk to you, please, so I know you're understanding. The other option
I don't understand. I comprehend.
Listen, the other option is I can just tow it and not impound it, which means you can literally go get it back in 5 minutes, but it can't be on the roadway. So the other option is I don't put it on the impound list and you can go get it. If you step out of the car right now, I won't impound it. Otherwise, it's going to get impounded and it's going to be 10 times harder for you to get. I don't want to make your life harder. So please don't make mine harder, and please just step out of the car.
I conditionally accept your offer upon proof that you can show me that Dawes versus Kent 1958 did not say that the people have the right to travel.
It says nothing to do with traveling, sir. It has to do with the vehicle.
This isn't a vehicle, this is an automobile.
Fine, the automobile. It has to have insurance when it's driving.
I'm not driving, I'm traveling.
Okay, sir. It was moving on the highway. Regardless.
It's traveling.
Fine, when it's traveling. When it's traveling, it has to have insurance.
That's not what Supreme Court says, sir.
Listen. Are you going to step out, and am I going to be nice and not impound it, or am I impounding it, putting a boot on it to where you can't get it back?
I would like to continue traveling, man. I'm not hurting anybody. I'm not hurting you. I'm not violating any constitutional law that you swore oath to. I'm not contracted with the state of Maryland. I do not accept any contracts. I just want to continue traveling so I can get to work and operate in Commerce at work. That's all I want to do. Right now, you guys are hindering me traveling to work.
That's what courts are for, right? We can figure it out.
I don't even want to go. I don't got time to go to court. I got to work.
You're going to have to go to court already. So the option is you step out of the car, I don't impound it, and you're going to be free to go after this. Or I take you to jail, I impound the car, and you can't get it back.
I like to continue traveling, sir. That's all I want to do.
I'm telling you, that's not an option.
I like to exercise my Fourth Amendment right.
Is that your final offer?
I like to exercise my Fourth Amendment right.
I'm more officers out here, and we're going to take you out of the car. How does that sound?
I like to exercise my Fourth Amendment, and I think you took an oath to it. So I don't think you want to violate your oath. I would like to continue traveling and exercise my Fourth Amendment. I don't want any more troopers.
We'll get you out of the car, okay?
I would like to exercise my Fourth Amendment right. Trying to steal my goddamn automobile. '18 United States Code Title 242, deprivation of rights under color of law.
All right, sir. Are you stepping out? Are you stepping out of the car?
I'd like to exercise my First Amendment. You can give me my information back, please.
I'll give it back out here. Step outside the car. I'll give you this information.
You can just put it right here through the window, sir. I'm going to protect my Fourth Amendment right. You're a good police officer, all right? I know you. I can see it in your eyes. You just said you were. Okay. You're a good trooper. I can see it in your eyes. I know you want to uphold your oath. Somebody's telling you to do this, all right?
Sir, here is your passport card. I wrote 17. Listen to me.
I'm listening. Yeah, you got my attention.
3 of them are must appear to carry jail time. You're going to have to go to court for them. The other ones are payable. You can pay them, go to court, set up for a payment plan, or go to court guilty or not guilty. There's also going to be an application for charges for failure to obey a lawful order. You're going to get a warrant for your arrest if you don't come to court when requested to do so. You can take those. You are not free to go. You cannot drive. You cannot travel. If you do so again, you may be subject to arrest.
Can I need my plate back too. Y'all stole my plate.
That's being seized as evidence. You're not getting that back.
So you're stealing my property then? All right, I don't accept the ticket. I don't accept any contracts. I don't accept.
I know you won't take it, but that way it's affixed to your vehicle, so you have it.
He put all the tickets and stuff outside my automobile.
Am I correct in assuming you are no longer a U.S. citizen?
I'm a national, sir.
Passport ID cards are for U.S. citizens.
No. I'm a national. I am a national. You stole my passport card, too. Stole my passport card, too. I don't consent. I don't consent. Give me that back. He just took my passport card too. Stole my passport card. Nasty motherfuckers. I tell you, he tried to steal my automobile. Took the fucking passport card I got a lien on. This is gonna be nasty, alright? Tried to force me to take some citations and left me a fucking state trooper police officer shit. Whatever the hell this thing is. I don't want none of this shit. Stole my license plate. They crazy out here, man. Listen, I haven't been pulled over in a long ass time. All right? I haven't been pulled over in a long ass time. This is coercion. This is threat. This is a lot of fucking violations right here. I need that passport card though. Talking about I'm not a U.S. I'm a national, buddy. I need my card so I can go. I just need my card and I need my license plate and my card so I can go, buddy. That's all I need.
What's on your U.S. passport ID card?
What do you mean?
What's that name on the card?
That's in all caps, ens legis, legal fiction.
So are you a U.S. citizen?
I'm a national.
Okay, so you are possessing a federal document that identifies you as a U.S. citizen.
I'm a national.
So
you know what a U.S.
return to the federal government. You don't get that back.
Do you know what the U.S. nationals are?
Yes.
That is covered in the Constitution. It's actually in the DS-11 form. You want me to show it to you? I got it right here.
I do not. I'm a provost marshal. I don't need to look at your forms.
You seem really intelligent, so you know what a national
You know
is.
what a provost marshal is.
I know you're intelligent, and I know I need my ID card, and you sound like you know what you're talking about, but I know what a national is.
You can get your ID card back from the federal government when you can prove you've no longer renounced your U.S. citizenship.
I'm a national, sir.
Okay.
Hey, these niggas, I've been here for almost a hour. I'm late to work. They trying everything, yo. They trying every motherfucking thing. Everything under the sun to try to get me the contract. Now my car back so I can go. And my plate, please.
I already told you, you get your ID back when you prove to the federal government you renounced your U.S. citizenship.
I'm a national. I told you this, man. I'm a national.
We've been over that.
Yeah.
Also, you can't drive away because you're uninsured.
I'm not driving. I'm traveling. I just need my plate and I need my card so I can continue traveling.
You understand the difference between a right and a privilege, correct?
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah.
Driving is a privilege. If I was driving, y'all would have me nailed to the wall.
Traveling is a right.
Yeah.
Your right to travel will not be infringed. However, your right to drive in a car is not permitted.
In a vehicle,
So,
yes.
If you want, you can get out and walk towards liberty and keep traveling.
I would like to travel right here, as per this right here. This is what the driver.
I can't see that. You're gonna have to hand it out to me.
Okay.
I need the whole binder, please.
This is good. Oh shoot. Hey, you don't need that. This is what a driver is right here. I'm not employed. I'm not operating
commerce.
commerce.
Vehicle and walk down to Liberty. But you will not be driving. Understand?
Absolutely. I don't understand though. They still got my shit. They saying you can continue to travel down this way, but I need my shit. Stole my goddamn license plate. These goddamn. Now they road pirate. These are the type of police officers people don't like. These are the ones people don't like because they know they in the wrong. They dead wrong. They know they are. They know they dead wrong. They know they dead wrong, bro. That's why they ain't towed my shit. They had a tow truck right in front of the fucking car. They know they wrong, man. Late for work, god damn it. Oh, it's good. This is gonna be nasty right here. This is gonna be nasty. Can I have my ID card and my plate so I can go? Can I have my ID card and my plate so I can go? That's what my ID card, man, so I can get out of here, bro. I just want my ID card. Huh?
I can't hear you.
I just want my ID card and my plate so I can go.
But you renounced your U.S. citizenship.
I'm a national. It is on the DS-11 form, U.S. nationals and U.S. citizens.
Are you renouncing?
I am a national. I am not a U.S. citizen. It says right on the DS-11 form, if you are a national or a U.S. citizen, you can get a passport and a passport card. That's how I got it.
But you said you renounced your U.S. citizenship.
I'm an American, sir. I'm not a U.S. citizen. I'm not chattel slavery property. Okay, I'm a free American. That's why I'm protected by the Bill of Rights. I just want my card back, and I just want my plate that I created so I can go. That's all I want.
A falsified registration document carries up to a year in jail. So
That plate is not even registered with the state of Maryland, so y'all don't have jurisdiction to even take it. That is my personal property. Okay, I want it back so I can continue traveling. So you're keeping my personal property. I don't even want the side. I'm not accepting the contracts, man.
Come to court, a warrant will be issued for your arrest.
But I'm not accepting the contracts. I just want my card back, sir. Give me my card and my plate, please. That's all I want.
You're not getting it back.
You're gonna keep my property. Is that what you're saying?
I'm seizing your property. Yeah.
So you're violating my Fourth Amendment.
Well, I have probable cause to do so, so I'm not violating it.
Oh, you definitely are. It says in the Fourth Amendment, I have the right to my freedom and papers. So I need that back so I can go. Please just give me my stuff so I can go, man. We've been here for almost an hour. I'm late to work. I might get fired over this.
Man, get out of the car for me.
Huh? What you say? He got my car in his hand. I giving up no rights, man. They trying to get me to give my fucking rights up. God already gave me a bunch of goddamn tickets I don't even want. And we've been here almost a hour now. This is crazy, yo. Look like all the troopers left. All the troopers left.
You're gonna have to come to court. You know that, right?
No, I don't want to, man. I just want.
Choice. If you don't come to court, then a warrant's be issued for your arrest. I'm gonna knock on your door and arrest you.
You can't issue a warrant for my arrest because I'm not a legal fiction. I'm a man. Can I have my plate back, please?
You're not getting the plate back.
Why are you stealing my plate, man?
It's contraband.
Huh?
Other than you're free to go for this interaction, but you can't drive or travel or move the vehicle in any way.
So you violate my right to travel?
No, you can walk. You just can't drive.
I can travel how I see fit. All right, well, he turned his lights off, so I ain't moving from this motherfucker till they get the fuck out of here, though. They ain't gonna get me like that. Took my plate. I got another one. I'm not worried about that. I'm more so concerned with the fact that these motherfuckers literally took my shit. And now they gone. These bitches. I'll holler at y'all.